Question 10. The first 1,500 students who register cars with the parking facilities office at a state university are guaranteed a parking space. The initial number of students at the office when it opened was 83. And the number of students that visit the office increases every hour by 17%. Which of the following inequalities can be used to determine the number of hours T after the facilities open, when the number of students at the office will be at or below 1,500? So first off, is this growth or decay? Let's look for a word that's a synonym of growth or decay. Let's see, which of the following increases. I knew I saw it somewhere. So the number of students that visit the office increases every hour. So that's a big giveaway that this is a growth exponential problem. Second thing I see from the answer choices and from the word problem, this isn't an equation. It's an inequality. So it's not going to be y equals. They tell us specifically we want the number of students at the office to be at 1,500 or below that number. So that means y, I'm going to write it on the right side because that's how they have it written in the problem, is going to be greater than or equal to our a times 1 plus r raised to the x power. Now that y number tells us right here is 1,500. So we can replace y with 1,500. What's our initial value? They make this one a dead giveaway and they literally use the word initial. The initial number of students at the office when it opened was 83. Well, that is what A represents. A represents the initial value, which is 83 in this problem. Our R value comes from the 17%. So R equals 17 divided by 100, or 0.17. And then this should match up with one of our answers. Be careful, because obviously they all look very similar, but I think B is my answer. I just left off the exponent instead of x. They used t in this problem for number of hours.